Okay, today we're gonna make this Lego Technic dirt bike 42007. We already have this Lego bike, this Lego 42036. It has front suspension and back suspensions, and you can see once it's move, its suspensions and its engine cylinders working. That's pretty awesome one. Okay, we'll go for that other one. That's Lego dirt bike. Alright, here's everything. Let's start doing it. The instructions. Alright, we build the engine part. So you see this is properly working. When in page 26, it's coming to shape now. Oh, then halfway. Number 30. This says how it looked now. Alright, we did almost done. The front piece is already built, so I need to put this front piece into this. Let's see how it goes. Alright, the front piece attached to the bike. So how it is look now. So we need to finish the handle part. So it looks really good now. Alright, we attach the front piece here, and we need to finish the handle, and just need to finish few more things. It's came into a nice shape now. We'll see how it's finished. Here you go. This is the final product, Lego dirt bike 42007. This look pretty awesome. So it has front back suspension and front suspension, and you see when it moves, it's all pistons work. This is the other one I talk about in the morning. Go. This is the both bikes together.
Want the face?